गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, मैं शिक्षक टीएस चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। मैं शिक्षक टीएस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। चलिए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। इन टुडेज क्लास वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट सम ऑफ टू मैट्रिसेस, हाउ वी कैन ऐड मैट्रिक्स, हाउ वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट मैट्रिक्स। लेट अस सी नाउ। So before adding two matrices, you have to notice, you have to remember one condition. What is the condition? The condition is that the matrix addition takes place when the order of two matrices must be same. That means addition of two matrices can be done when the rows and columns of a first matrix and the rows and columns of a second matrix are equal. That means order of the both matrices are equal, then only we can add or subtract them. So take one example. If A is equal to 3 2 minus 1 4 minus 3 1 and B is equal to 1 minus 2 7 3 2 1, then find A plus B and B plus A. A plus B, the element of A matrix plus element of B matrix. So what are the element of A matrix? 3 2 minus 1 4 minus 3 1, and elements of B matrix 1 minus 2 7 3 2 1. Now look here, the order of this matrix, 2 rows, 2 rows and columns 1 2 3. In the same way, order of this matrix 1 2 rows and 1 2 3 columns. So both matrix having the same order, therefore the sum of the two matrices is possible. That means we can add two matrices when their order must be equal. Now do the addition. First element of first matrix plus first element of second matrix, that is 3 plus 1. Second element corresponding element should be added, 2 plus minus 2, and third element, that means minus 1 plus 7. Then 4 plus 3, then minus 3 plus 2, then 1 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 minus 2 gets 0, minus 1 plus 7 means 7 minus 1 6, and 4 plus 3 7, minus 3 plus 2 means 2 minus 3, so it will get minus 1, and 1 plus 1 2. So this is A plus B matrix. Now B plus A. So what is B plus A? B elements plus element of A. So what is B matrix? 1 minus 2 7 3 2 1 plus A matrix 3 2 minus 1 4 minus 3 1. So add first element with first element, that is 1 plus 3 minus 2 plus 2 7 plus minus 1 3 plus 4 2 plus minus 3 2 plus minus 3 and 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 3 4, minus 2 plus 2 gets 0, and 7 minus 1 6. 3 plus 4 7, 2 plus minus 3 minus 1, and 1 plus 1 2. So what is b plus a? B plus a is equal to 4 0 6, 7 minus 1 2. Now look at a plus b. What is x plus b? 4 0 6, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 2. Then b plus a, 4 0 6, 7 minus 2. Therefore a plus b is equal to b plus a. Now properties of addition of matrices. Properties of addition of matrices. So what are those properties? Let A is a matrix Aij, comma B is a matrix Bij, comma C is a matrix Cij, then A is a matrix Aij, B is a matrix Bij, C is equal to matrix Cij, be the matrices of same order. Be the matrices of same order. Then the matrices satisfies following properties. So first one is commutative property. Commutative property. So what is commutative property? A plus b is equal to b plus a. A plus b is equal to a plus b is equal to b plus a. This is a commutative property. Now let us see a plus b. First of all, a plus b. So a matrix plus b matrix. So what is actually a matrix? Aij. What is b matrix? Bij is equal to Aij plus Bij. This can be written as Bij plus Aij. How we can write this one? Because 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. When we change the order of these numbers, there is no difference in addition. Okay? 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5, and 3 plus 2 also 5. Therefore, when we interchange the order in addition, there will be no change. So this can be written as Bij plus Aij. So what is Bij plus Aij? Is nothing but B plus A. B plus A. Therefore, addition of matrices is commutative. We conclude that addition of matrices is commutative. Now let us take one example. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, then let us verify commutative property of matrices under addition. So do first A plus B. A plus B is equal to A matrix plus B matrix. So what is A matrix? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then what is the condition of addition of two matrices? When will occur? If both matrices having the same order, then only we can add or subtract, otherwise we can do. Okay. Now the order of this matrix is 2 rows 2 columns. Similarly, order of this matrix also 2 plus 2 rows 2 columns, 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore we can do addition. Now let us see the addition. First element with first element, 1 plus 5, second with second, 2 plus 6, third with third, 3 plus 7, and fourth with fourth, 4 plus 8. So it will be 1 plus 5 6, 8, 2 plus 6, 3 plus 7 10, and 4 plus 8 12. So this is A plus B. Now B plus A. So B plus A means B matrix plus A matrix. So what is B matrix? 5, 6, 7, 8. A matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us add first element with first element. That means 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 7 plus 3, and 8 plus 4. So it will be 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 3 10, and this is 12. So this is. So what you will be conclude from A plus B and B plus A? Both are having the same elements. Therefore A plus B is equal to B plus A. So addition of matrices is commutative. That means commutative property follows by matrices under addition. Second property is associative property. Associative property. Associative property. So what is associative property? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now A plus B plus C is equal to, what is A actually? A is equal to Aij plus B plus C. B is equal to Bij, where Ij is equal to 1 2 3 plus Cij. So it is this can be written as Aij plus Bij plus Cij. So it is nothing but A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now take one example. If A is equal to, take one example, if A is equal to 1204 comma B is equal to 4215 comma C is equal to 0213. Then let us verify the associative property of matrices under addition. So do first A plus B plus C. This is A matrix plus this is B plus C. So what happened? A is equal to 1204 plus, what is B? 4215 plus C 010213 is equal to 1204 plus 4 plus 0, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 5 plus 3. Is equal to 1204 plus 4 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 1, 2 and 5 plus 3, 8 is equal to 1204 plus 4428, 4428. So it will be 1 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 0 plus 2 and 4 plus 8 is equal to 1 plus 4, 5, 2 plus 6, 0 plus 2, 2 and 12. So this is A plus B plus C is equal to, what we get? 5, 6 to 12. Then second, A plus B plus C. Now let us see. This is A plus B plus C. So what is actually the elements of A are What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 0, 4. B, no, sorry. The elements of A are 1, 2, 0, 4. 1, 2, 0, 4. Element of B are 4, 2, 1, 5. 4, 2, 1, 5. Any elements of C are 0, 2, 1, 3. 0, 2, 1, 3. Look here, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 2, 0 plus 1, 4 plus 5 plus 0, 2, 1, 3 is equal to 1 plus 4, 5, 4, 1 and 9 plus 0, 2, 1, 3 is equal to 5 plus 0, 4 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 9 plus 3. So is equal to what? 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 9 plus 3, 12. This is A plus B plus C is equal to what we got? 5, 6 to 12. Now look here. A plus B plus C 5, 6 to 12. A plus B plus C 5, 6 to 12. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So both are equal. Therefore, addition of matrices is associative. Addition of matrices is associative. So what we done here? Here we first of all add B plus C, then add with A, then we will get A plus B plus C. So here it is A plus B plus C means first of all add A plus B, A matrix with B matrix, then after getting answer we add with C. So A plus B plus C, like this we will get the same value. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. That means we can conclude that addition of matrices is associative. So